Hi, my name's Karen. Welcome to my video for Kit 5. I'm going to be making this bit of home decor. I've gone for a bit of a hanging hearth theme and I've stamped the "there's no place like home" sentiment and added some flowers. So I'll just show you how I made it. I started off with some very thick card. I cut 6 of these large hearts. This is a tonic die. It's available on Hochanda. It was available on the 28th of December along with a magazine, so many of you may have that. So I've cut 6 of the largest heart and I'm just gonna pop some glue on those and put them together. Glue gun, which hasn't got a very good wire, so I'm just going to do that out of shot there. Bring that back over and pop some ribbon in. Try and get those as even as possible and glue these together. I stamped the "there's no place like home," the big sentiment from the kit, using my trusty Tim Holtz stamp platform, my hybrid ink that comes with your kit. You've got the little square ones in the kit, and I've stamped that and glued it straight on. Now it comes to shaping our flowers. So I'm just using the foam from the flower shaping kit, but the embossing tool that does actually come in your kit 5. I'm going to start off with the largest one, which I've used on the bottom here. Turn it over, just give each petal a little bit of shaping. Turn it back over and they tend to pop up a little bit if you shape the centre. This one, and I've got a layer for on top of that I'm going to do the same with. got these little bits. These actually come out of the centre of the flowers, so I've just shaped those because I want to be able to pop some glitter on them. So we've got some beautiful sparkle dust in the kit. So those are all of my little pieces that I need ready to go. Now, to glue them together, I've just used any of the tonic glues will be fine. I've used the deluxe because it was what I had on my desk. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue on the back of my foliage because I roughly know where I want that to go. I want that one just peeking out at the end. For the last one, I'm going to position a bow first. So I've left it quite long because I wasn't sure where I wanted my tails. I'm going to put a bit of hot glue on the back of this. Just a tiny bit. And we'll put that up on the corner there. And we can bring it along. Tiny bit of hot glue just underneath, just to hold that into place. On the same here, so we'll be able to see our, it's a little bit too far down actually, so we'll be able to see our sentiment. So to finish the flowers off, I've already shaped that one, but we're going to need a bit of hot glue for this. So I'll just pop a tiny bit of that on, not to have it oozing out. And then we'll pop that on there, the bow, along with the stamens. Gluey strings, you can just pull them off afterwards. And a tiny little, we can use this with a Nuvo glue because it's going onto our cotton paper, not onto the fabric of the ribbon, so that can go on the centre. Right, now for glitter. Right, here's the sparkle dust. It is the finest glitter I've ever seen. We've got some Nuvo glue, the glue pen. So we make sure that's running. So if you press, you just need to press down and you'll see that it's coming out of the tip there. So you just need to sort of charge it gently on the areas where you want the glitter to go.